So excited to get my Explore 3. I was always one of these people who wanted a Joy because you could cut things to that longer length and using the smart vinyl, so the new Cricut machines doing that is just awesome. So what's in the box? You get a Cricut Explore user guide, you get some sample removable smart vinyl to use with one of your setup exercises. You get some warranty information, safety instructions, and a little let's get started card, and that just really tells you to go to Cricut.com to set up. This holder is great. You've got some starter materials, you've got some smart iron-on, some transfer tape, some smart paper, sticker cardstock, and some smart vinyl removable. So lots of stuff to get you started. And here's the beautiful Explore 3. So I'll not bore you too much with the unboxing of this. We'll just speed things up a bit. The button, by the way, if you press and hold, opens the front and the top at the same time. It took me a little while to suss that one out, but yeah. So also in the box is your USB cable that you'll need to do your initial setup. There's a UK power lead and one that's suitable for use in the US. That's not one I'll be using, so I'll just change that over onto the some kind of little control unit that comes with it on the end of the power cord. And it's time to set up. Now you just go to Cricut.com to do the setup, and it walks you through these steps here that just says, you know, install a new machine, tells you to put the power cable in and the USB cable to do your initial setup, connect the other end to your device. In this case for me it was a Mac. And then it said, you know, we're ready with the latest features, and clicked OK, and everything seemed absolutely fine. So then went to setup and chose to do the lips to make the sticker and start it, and tells me to check that the fine point blade is in place, which it was. The Explore comes loaded with the fine point blade, and just then tells you to load the smart material and press the load unload button. And that's where things went wrong, because it just didn't move past that, and I had some problems. So as you can see here, I'm trying to go in and just do it as a project. So choosing the image, just typing in lips, and there are the ones that came as the setup. So you can see it has found my Explore 3, so my machine is there. So I go through and select my without mat because I'm using the smart vinyl, and go to make it, and I have the same problem again, which was incredibly frustrating. So I did get in touch with Cricut to help me with the problem, and here is a little bit of video just showing you basically what it was doing. So it would say load the material, and then it would just send the material back out, and didn't do the cutting. And the resolution was to go back into Cricut Design Space, click the three lines for the menu at the top, and select firmware update, which I did. Now because I'm recreating it here for you, you can't actually see it load, but that solved the problem. I just had to do a firmware update, which, you know, a little frustrating, but all it did really was slow down my enjoyment of getting to know my Explore 3. But once that was done, everything was fine, and I was able to do the test cut, as you can see, the lips, which turned out terrific, and it is incredibly fast. So I've just done a little bit of extra videoing for you to see just how quick this new machine is. I think you'll be impressed. The cut I've done here is on just some iron-on vinyl that I was going to apply to a t-shirt, and it cut incredibly well. I was really pleased with it. So yeah, I can honestly say I'm really pleased with my Explore 3. I'm gonna love doing some of the bigger designs, the longer designs that I always wanted to do. I've got all my longer length iron-on vinyl on order. Can't wait for that to turn up so that I can have a go and share my videos with you. I hope you love your new machine as much as I love mine.